Before you sign up for any auto insurance policy, it's crucial to ask the right questions. Doing so helps you avoid surprises and ensures you get the coverage that truly fits your needs. Many people rush into buying insurance only to find out later that their policy doesn't cover what they expected. By taking a few moments to ask important questions, you can save money, avoid headaches, and drive with peace of mind. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential questions you should always ask before choosing auto insurance so you can make an informed decision. One of the first questions you should ask is, what exactly does this policy cover? Not all auto insurance policies are the same. Some only cover damages to your own car, while others include liability for injuries or damages to others. Make sure you understand if your policy includes comprehensive, collision, liability, and personal injury protection. Knowing the details of your coverage helps you avoid gaps that could cost you later. Always ask for a clear explanation of what's included and what's not. Just as important to know what isn't covered as what is. Ask your insurance provider about any exclusions in the policy. For example, some policies may not cover certain drivers, types of damage, or specific situations like natural disasters. Understanding these exclusions can help you avoid unpleasant surprises if you ever need to file a claim. Don't hesitate to ask for a list of exclusions in writing so you can review them carefully. Another key question is about the deductible. The deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Policies with lower deductibles usually have higher premiums, while higher deductibles can lower your monthly costs. Ask your provider to explain how the deductible works and what options are available. This will help you choose a balance between what you can afford to pay up front and your monthly budget. Premiums are the regular payments you make to keep your insurance active. It's important to ask how much your premiums will be and how often you need to pay them. Also, find out if your premiums can change over time and what factors might cause an increase or decrease. This information helps you budget effectively and avoid unexpected costs down the road. Many insurance companies offer discounts that can help lower your premiums. These might include safe driver discounts, multi-policy discounts, or discounts for installing safety devices in your car. Ask your provider about all available discounts and what you need to qualify for them. Taking advantage of discounts can make a significant difference in your overall insurance costs. Filing a claim can be stressful, so it's important to know how the process works before you need it. Ask your insurance company about their claims process. How do you file a claim? How long does it take to get a response? What documentation will you need? Understanding the claims process in advance can help you feel more confident and prepared if an accident happens. Some auto insurance policies include roadside assistance, which can be a lifesaver if your car breaks down or you get a flat tire. Ask your provider if this service is included, and if not, whether you can add it for an extra fee. Knowing you have access to help when you need it most can provide extra peace of mind on the road. If your car is in the shop after an accident, you might need a rental car. Some insurance policies cover the cost of a rental while your car is being repaired. Ask your provider if rental car coverage is included, how much is covered, and for how long. This can save you from unexpected expenses and keep you mobile while your car is out of commission. Every insurance policy has limits on how much it will pay for different types of claims. It's important to ask about these limits so you know exactly how much protection you have. Find out the maximum amounts for property damage, bodily injury, and other types of claims. This information helps you decide if you need higher limits for better protection. Ask your provider how your policy renews. Is it automatic or do you need to take action? Also, find out if your rates might change at renewal and what could cause an increase or decrease. Understanding the renewal process helps you avoid lapses in coverage and plan for any changes in your insurance costs. Everyone's needs are different, so it's helpful to know if you can customize your policy. Ask your provider if you can add or remove certain types of coverage like glass repair or uninsured motorist protection. Customizing your policy ensures you're only paying for what you need and not for unnecessary extras. It's important to know who is covered under your policy. Does it only cover you, or are other drivers in your household included? What about friends or family who borrow your car? Clarifying this helps you avoid problems if someone else is driving your car and gets into an accident. Sometimes, you may need to cancel your policy before it expires. Ask your provider about the cancellation process, any fees involved, and how much notice you need to give. Knowing the cancellation policy helps you avoid penalties and ensures a smooth transition if you switch providers. A grace period is extra time after your payment is due before your policy is canceled. Ask your provider if a grace period is offered and how long it lasts. This can be helpful if you ever miss a payment by accident, giving you a chance to catch up without losing coverage. Insurance rates can vary widely based on many factors. Ask your provider how your rate is calculated. Factors might include your driving history, age, location, and the type of car you drive. Understanding what affects your rate can help you find ways to lower your premiums and get the best deal. Some insurance companies consider your claims history when setting your rates or renewing your policy. Ask how previous claims might affect your premiums or eligibility for renewal. This helps you understand the long-term impact of filing a claim and plan accordingly. Many insurance providers offer add-ons or endorsements that can enhance your coverage. These might include things like gap insurance, new car replacement, or accident forgiveness. Ask your provider about available add-ons and whether they make sense for your situation. It's wise to research the reputation of the insurance company you're considering. Ask about their customer service, claims satisfaction, and financial stability. You can also look up reviews and ratings online. Choosing a reputable company can make a big difference if you ever need to file a claim. Accidents and emergencies can happen at any time. Ask your provider if they offer 24/7 customer support and claims assistance. Knowing you can reach someone whenever you need help adds an extra layer of security and confidence in your coverage. If you let your insurance lapse, there could be penalties or higher rates when you reinstate coverage. Ask your provider about the consequences of a lapse and how to avoid them. This helps you maintain continuous coverage and avoid unnecessary costs. Life changes, and so do your insurance needs. Ask your provider how to update your information, such as address, vehicle, or drivers. Keeping your policy up to date ensures you have the right coverage and avoids issues if you need to file a claim. Understanding how to pay your premiums is important. Ask your provider about payment methods, due dates, and whether you can set up automatic payments. This helps you avoid missed payments and keeps your coverage active. Many insurance companies now offer mobile apps for managing your policy, filing claims, and accessing documents. Ask if your provider has an app and what features it offers. A good app can make managing your insurance much more convenient. Ask how long your policy lasts. Is it a 6-month term, a year, or something else? Knowing the policy term helps you plan for renewals and budget for your insurance costs over time. Some policies have mileage limits that can affect your coverage or rates. Ask if there are any restrictions on how much you can drive and what happens if you exceed those limits. This is especially important if you drive a lot for work or travel. Knowing when your coverage begins is essential. Ask your provider about the policy start date and if there's any waiting period before coverage takes effect. This ensures you're protected from the moment you need it. Some insurers reward long-term customers with loyalty benefits such as lower rates or special perks. Ask your provider if they offer any loyalty programs and what you need to do to qualify. These benefits can add extra value to your policy over time. Bundling your auto insurance with other policies like home or renter's insurance can often save you money. Ask your provider if they offer bundling discounts and how much you could save. Bundling can also make managing your insurance simpler. Underwriting is how insurance companies assess your risk and decide your rates. Ask your provider about their underwriting process and what information they need from you. Understanding this process can help you prepare the necessary documents and avoid delays. Auto insurance requirements vary by state. Ask your provider about the minimum coverage required where you live and whether your policy meets those standards. This ensures you're legally compliant and fully protected. Insurance policies can be full of complex language and legal terms. Ask your provider to explain any terms you don't understand and if they can provide a summary in plain language. This helps you know exactly what you're signing up for. Some people buy insurance directly while others use a broker or agent. Ask if you'll have a dedicated agent to help with questions or claims. Having a knowledgeable contact can make managing your policy much easier. A financially strong insurance company is more likely to pay claims promptly. Ask your provider about their financial ratings and stability. You can also check independent rating agencies for more information. This gives you confidence that your insurer will be there when you need them. If you have more than one car, you may qualify for a multi-car discount. Ask your provider if this is available and how much you could save. Insuring multiple vehicles under one policy can be more cost-effective and convenient. Some policies only cover you in certain areas. Ask if your coverage extends to other states or countries, especially if you travel frequently. Knowing your geographic coverage helps you avoid gaps when you're on the road. Some insurers offer usage-based policies that track your driving habits and adjust your rates accordingly. Ask if this option is available and how it works. Usage-based insurance can be a good way to save money if you're a safe driver. If you ever have a problem with your insurance company, it's important to know how to file a complaint. Ask your provider about their complaint process and who to contact if you're not satisfied with their service. This ensures you have a way to resolve issues quickly. Some insurers offer special programs for students, seniors, or military members. Ask if you qualify for any of these programs and what benefits they offer. Special programs can provide extra savings or unique coverage options tailored to your needs. Life can change quickly, so it's helpful to have a flexible insurance policy. Ask your provider how easy it is to make changes, such as adding a new car or driver. Flexible policies can adapt to your needs and make managing your insurance simpler. Some policies come with extra fees for things like late payments, policy changes, or reinstatement. Ask your provider about any additional fees so you can budget accordingly and avoid surprises. Some policies have a waiting period before certain coverages take effect. Ask your provider if this applies to your policy and how long you'll need to wait. Knowing about waiting periods helps you plan for when your coverage will be fully active. Some insurers reward you for not making any claims during your policy term with a no-claim bonus or discount. Ask if this is available and how it works. A no-claim bonus can help you save money over time. It's important to know how to reach your insurance provider if you have questions or need help. Ask about the different ways to contact support, such as phone, email, or online chat. Quick and easy access to support can make a big difference when you need assistance. Choosing the right auto insurance is about more than just finding the lowest price. By asking these key questions, you can make sure you get the coverage that fits your needs, budget, and lifestyle. Take your time, compare options, and don't hesitate to clarify anything you don't understand. Remember, the right questions lead to the right protection. Safe driving and smart insurance choices go hand in hand.